Hello, am I audible? Audio, video clear, please mention. I will just check the chat whether the audio, video is clear. Good morning to one and everyone. If I am audible, please mention in the chat. Actually, I am not able to see your chat. That is why I am not starting the class yet. Let me just check. Hello, am I audible? Okay, now let's start then. Okay, sorry for the delay. Let's start. So for the new people, this is the new series we are starting today. Top 100 CSIR-NET General Aptitude previous year questions. So we will be discussing 100 questions in this series. The sessions will be at least 10 sessions will be there. Minimum 10 sessions. According to the what we can say, more students joining, we will try to extend the sessions also if people are getting interested to this course. So please tell to your friends also. And this is the bio of me, and this is the book I have written for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. If you are searching for printed material for General Aptitude, this is currently the bestseller book available in Amazon and Flipkart. This is the cover page of the book, and these are the other books I have written, and these are the timings of my daily free classes. I give daily free classes at 11 a.m. On Sunday, the free classes at 3 p.m. So all of you are welcome to attend the daily classes. Tomorrow's classes at 3 p.m. Day after tomorrow again 11 a.m. So the details are given here. If you want to get regular updates from me about the daily free classes, you can be part of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Telegram group or Telegram channel, both you can join by searching Christy's classes in Telegram. WhatsApp group you can join by texting to the number given here. By that you can get all the resources provided by my classes. That is a mobile application, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, all those things you can access by that single text itself. These are some of the lectures I have taken in Unacademy, free platform itself. And these are the YouTube classes. To search the YouTube classes, if you want to see all the YouTube classes I have given in my platform, in Unacademy platform and other platforms, you can just search this keyword in Google, General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. You will be able to see all my free classes given. These are some of the free classes given in my own channel. That also you can access by that link. And this is a new information that I am starting a new concept building series in Unacademy free platform. It's a completely free course of 10 lectures. In the 10 lectures, we will be discussing the most important concepts in general aptitude, like probability, permutation combination, mixtures and alligation, average chapter, monetary problem, profit loss discount, etc. So those topics will be covered in that series. That is starting on 6th of October. In the description of this video, you can see the link how to join that course. The special class link, if you click there, you can see the upcoming lectures you will be seeing these courses already launched. So that's it, and this is the plus course information. There's a crash course starting for CSIR-NET General Aptitude in 5 days, October 8th to November 6th we are having that course. The timing is 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. To join the course, you can use my referral code CC10 to get 10% discount on the Unacademy Plus subscription and access my courses and all other educators' courses by the single subscription. These are the details of revision course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. It is useful for all the science stream students, whether you are life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, or earth science student. Okay, so without any more delay, let's start the first question. This is the first question, all of you try. So today we are discussing selected questions from December 2019 question paper. That is the latest question paper. There were 4 set of question paper because the exams were conducted in 2 different days. One for all over India and one for Assam region. The exam was conducted separately in a day. So I will be including questions of both the set. Okay, I think audio video is clear to all of you now. Okay, so please post your answers, what you got for this question. Very simple question. This was a December 2019 CSIR-NET problem. Very simple or very silly question we can say. Now the background voice is okay. Now please mention everything perfect with respect to audio and video. Okay, so let's start. In a group of researchers, biologists are thrice as many as chemists, whereas physicists are twice as many as biologists. If there are 5 chemists in the group, what are the total number of these 3 type of researchers? All the researchers together, how many are there? That is what the question is asking. So, from here you have to start the question. Many question, the starting point is the most important thing. If you start at the right point, you can finish the question much early. There are 5 chemists, so chemist number is 5, from there we can start. And now if you read it, biologists are thrice as many as chemists means 3 times of chemist. So chemist 5 means biologist will be 15, 3 times of chemist. And physicists are twice as many as biologists. Biologists are 15, so physicists P denotes are double of 15, 30. Now the question is asking total number of all the researchers together. That means chemist plus biologist plus physicist added up. 5 plus 15 plus 30. 50 is the answer. Very straightforward question. One of the simplest question asked in NET exams. As I told, I always tell to my students, CSIR-NET Part A is not difficult, only some questions are difficult. You just have to find the easy questions and try it, and difficult questions, even if you skip it, you can get very good mark in Part A section. But the skill you should develop is how to find the easy questions. Another question from December 2019 question paper, all of you try this. Life science students can relate it to your subject part itself. In ecology you are learning this, and this was a Part A section question itself. Sudarshana, which part of the previous question? Previous question was very simple. 5 chemist है, chemist 5 है तो biologist उसका triple है, उसका triple मतलब 15 हो गया, और physicist उसका double है, biologist का double है, biologist 15 है तो physicist 15 का double 30 है ना, और total number of researchers पूछा है. Total number of researchers 5 plus 15 plus 30 होगा. 5 plus 15 plus 30 50 है ना, इसलिए ऑप्शन सी आंसर है. I think now all of you understood. Those of you had doubt on the previous question, you are welcome to ask the doubt through the chat, no problem at all. All of you try the next question, please. Yes, Anna, you're right. Very good. my plan is to finish at least 10 questions today, so I may go a little faster. Questions are not very difficult, so we can do more questions today. In order to estimate the number of fish of species B in a pond, 100 fish of foreign species A were released into the pond. In life science, this is called mark and recapture method, I guess. Capture, recapture, mark and recapture, there are different names for it. So that method itself is asked here. But you don't need the life science background to understand the question, because question is clearly saying what is doing and what is happening. In order to estimate the number, that means we want to know how many species B fishes are there. How many species B fishes are there, that is what we are checking. For that, what you are doing, you are introducing a species A fish to this population or to this pond. Species A is a foreign species, means species A is not in the pond at all. That is a foreign species that is not at all in the pond, so we are adding 100 of them. Later in a catch of 100 fish, later, one second. One second. Okay. So, as I was telling that, in order to estimate the number of species B in a pond, 100 fish of foreign species A was written. That means species A, 100 are there, we know that. That means A by B ratio will be 100 by X, because we don't know species B number. That is the number we want to estimate. So, required unknown, I am assuming it as X. So, 100 by X is the ratio of A to B ratio. Is it clear to all of you? A by B ratio will be 100 by X. Later in a catch of 100 fish, later you are catching random 100 fish. In that 100 fish, you are seeing that the ratio of A by B is going to be 10 by 90. 10 is to 90. That means 10 by 90 is the present ratio. Initially we know that 100 by X is A by B. Now we know that 10 by 90 is A by B. That ratio should be same now, because whatever A to B ratio, for example 1 to 1 is same as 2 to, sorry, for example if there were total 1000 B fishes and 100 A fishes, that means 100 by 1000 1 by 10 ratio. Now also 1 by 10 ratio should be there. I am just telling an example. We don't know the B fish number, we can find that only from here. 100 by X is equal to 10 by 90. Now what we want to find? The value of X. How you can find that? By cross multiplying this. This ratios we are equating and then finding the value of X. Cross multiplying you can find, otherwise logically think. 10 by 90 means 1 is to 9 ratio. That means if 100 is here, X should be 9 times of 100, 900. Both the ways you will get X is equal to 900. X is the species B fishes in the pond. So X is equal to 900. Option A is the answer. Please mention whether it is clear to all of you. In the chat, please mention whether it is clear to all of you. Exactly, Sandeep. Question is saying homogeneous distribution of fish. That is like we can say it is equally distributed throughout the pond, we can say. It is not like A fish is in one side or one corner, B fish is in the other corner. It is just homogeneous distribution. So definitely option A is the answer. So let's go to the next question. Try the next question. Another question from 2019 itself. We can use elimination also, Kirti, but that will also take time. Only because answer option A is there, that is why we can see is the answer. We can say is the answer fast. Since ratio is given 10 is to 90, so by that only question finish. Exactly, Richa. That is what I am saying. I am just explaining the question to all of you. But the question is so simple. I was saying this should be equal to this. All of you try the next question. Very simple coding decoding problem asked. Okay, many of you got the answers. So start the explanation. Very simple coding decoding. D is coded as B, that's a meaning. E is coded as C, that's a meaning. L is coded as J. H is coded as F and I is coded as G. How you can code that? Let's see. D, B, 2 letter backward. E, C, 2 letter backward. L, J, 2 letter backward. So we understood that it is 2 letter backward. H, F, 2 letter backward. I, G, 2 letter backward. G, H, I na. So we understood that we have to go 2 letter backward. Here also you can satisfy that. M 2 letter backward is K. A 2 letter backward. A 2 letter backward means there is Z, Y, etc. It's like a cycle of letters. A, B, C, D up to Z. So after A, backward it is Z. So 2 letter backward is Y. D 2 letter backward is B. R 2 letter backward is P. A 2 letter backward is Y. S 2 letter backward is Q. That is exactly what the question is also saying. So we got a confirmation that this is the rule. 2 letter backward. Now without any doubt you just go 2 letter backward. O P Q R L M N O J K L, that means K. S T U, so S. KS itself finishes the question because there is only one option with KS beginning. This is not starting with KS, this is not starting with KS, this is not starting with KS. That is how you can save a little more time. You don't have to write all the letters. So option C will be the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Please mention through the chat. Since 3 words already coded for Mumbai, so answers. Yes, Richa, that way also you can see. We already understood 3 letters, that is also fine. Avnish, in December 2019, Assam region, the exam was conducted in a different day due to some internet issue and all, political and internet issue. The exam was conducted on a different date, but there was a separate part A question paper. That is why it is written Assam. Try the next question. Very good. Many of you got the answers right. Very simple question. In a population of 900, here also, if you take the relevant data, we can finish the question very fast. I have given a previous free lecture in my own channel, Tips and Tricks for General Aptitude. There I have told to avoid irrelevant data in many questions. This is a question where many irrelevant data are there. If you avoid those irrelevant data, you can get the answer very fast. What are the irrelevant data? These are totally irrelevant data. This much data are irrelevant. You can delete them. Because question is only asking about married people in the list. Total 900 people are there. The number of married couples is same as the number of singles. So singles number, if I am writing it as S, then married people number is 2S. Why 2S? Because in every married couple, 2 people are there. A husband and a wife. That means if singles number is S, question says married couple number is equal to singles number. So definitely S is equal to married couple number, if it is M is equal to S. But if you think about the married people there, every couple have 2 people. That means 2S will be the number of married couples, we can say, with respect to S. That means this 900 can be clearly divided as S and 2S. Now, what you want to find? 2S. Married people number we want to know. If you want to find 2S, you just add it up. Now, 2S plus S is 3S. 3S equal to 900. S is equal to 900 by 3. 900 by 3 is 300. S is 300 means 2S is 600. That is enough to say that answer is 600. because we want married people number, not couple number. Married couple number will be 300. Married people number is the question. That is why 300 into 2, 600 is the answer. So option B will be the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Now you may be thinking, then why they have given this twin number, single twin number, 400 female number. They will always do that. They will try to give dummy data just to confuse you, because those students who haven't practiced much with these questions, they will think that this data should be what we can say, used somewhere, otherwise we have done something wrong. So that is why they have given that data. Always remember that. So next question, try the next question. Another December 2019 CSIR-NET problem. Very simple question. In one of the previous YouTube video we have discussed this. Again, I am reminding, if any of your friends want to attend this lecture now, please copy the link of this video and share it to them. They can attend it now also live, because the lecture will be till 12:10. Very good. Many of you got the answers right. Here also, if you use the question correctly, if you analyze the question properly, you can finish the question very fast. Difference between squares of two consecutive integers is 408235. Integers means just two numbers. So I am just saying that let x be the number, y be another number. So the question is saying x square minus y square is equal to 408235. 408235 is the x square minus y square. What we want to find? We want to find x plus y, sum of these numbers. X plus y, normally we do what? We will find the value of x, we will find the value of y, then find x plus y. Don't do that. That is total waste of time. And some students do like this. Consecutive means next to next number. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are examples of consecutive integers. Consecutive integers, you will take x and x plus 1. That is also not needed, because that is time consuming method. I don't take x and x plus 1 as the two numbers. That will give you the correct answer, but after solving a complicated equation. Don't use the consecutive integer concept till now. First expand this. What is x square minus y square? X square minus y square is nothing but x minus y into x plus y. Because you know that a minus b into a plus b will be equal to a square minus b square. School day, very basic fact. That is equal to 408235. Now use the concept of consecutive. For consecutive numbers, this x minus y have a common property, that x minus y will be equal to 1 for consecutive integers. For example, if 4 and 5 are two numbers, their difference 5 minus 4 is 1. Na? 5 and 6, difference is 1. 6 and 7, difference is 1. So definitely x minus y, you can replace it by 1 only because the question says consecutive integers. So 1 into x plus y. 1 into x plus y is equal to 408235. So what is the value of x plus y? 1 into x plus y is equal to 408235 means x plus y is equal to 408235 itself. That's why the answer is option D. 1 into x plus y and x plus y are equal. Did you all understood this? Consecutive integer concept we used in the last step to say that x minus y can be written as 1 itself, because for consecutive integers only x minus y can be 1, otherwise it may not be 1. 20 and 19, 1 difference. 30 and 29, 1 difference. So not exactly this, but similar type of question we discussed. Here you said yes, Richa, yes. Remember the formula. Which formula, Richa? In that question, consecutive was not given. That is why we did like that. Here, consecutive is given means you have to use that. Na? As much hypothesis you involve in, as much hypothesis you use, that much faster you can finish the question. So, let's go to the next question. It's a question from series formation chapter, symbol series this is. All these topics will be covered in the concept building series starting in the Unacademy free platform. The link is given in the description of this video itself. Click on it and start. You can enroll it and YouTube. Because question says so, Surya. The difference between squares of two integers is 408235. That is why we took x square minus y square. Let x and y be the two integers. So x square minus y square equal to 408235. Clear? Okay, many of you got the answers for this question also. Find out the next figure in the following sequence. Here, you just have to see the changing property. Arrow downward, arrow upward, arrow downward. So, arrow should be upward. Arrow upward means option B and option D can be eliminated because it is facing downward. A and C are satisfying that, but what other properties? One line, two line, one line, then two lines should be there here. But in option A, it is one line. That is why option A is wrong. So the only option satisfying it is option C. These kinds of question, elimination. Don't draw all the things. Here the question is asking the fourth figure, but only the changing things we want to analyze and eliminate it. There should be a line upward and there should be two lines here. And there should be dot if you want to analyze, that is moving clockwise. So we can say here. So anyway, that is clear. Then go to the next question. Another December 2019 question. Try it fast. Sequence of letters, Kohinoor, where? Yeah, sequence of letters also you can analyze. Yes, Kohinoor. But as I told before that itself, we can eliminate it. Yes, Om Prakash, totally correct. A we already eliminated. Okay, for this question, okay. Some of you got option A, some of you got option B. So I will start explaining. First of all, the meaning of the question, a move of a coin is defined as crossing any number of points in a straight line in the 4x4 grid. That should be clearly understood. That means you can go anywhere here, here, horizontally, vertically, diagonally. All the three are possible. Exactly, Avnish. So all the three are possible. It is not like you can only go through these 9 points. No, you can go out of it. That is why they have told 4x4 grid. What is the least number of moves in which a coin starting from the indicated position is this, can cover all the 9 points within the marked square. But we are required only to connect all these 9 points. It is your freedom whether you want to take all the 16 points or not. But this 9 points should be compulsorily completed. That is the meaning of marked square. So, some of you got 5. I think you got 5 like this maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is totally okay. That is connecting also. But the question is asking least number. Least number is not 5. Least number is 4. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 lines is enough to connect all the points. This is not violating any of the condition in the question. Are you understanding? Because we are moving the coins now. First movement, second movement, third movement and fourth movement. All the 4 movements are valid because this is a vertical movement, this is a diagonal movement, this is a horizontal movement, this is a diagonal movement. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal, anywhere through 4x4 grid you can say, you can go. So definitely option A, 4 is the answer. Always remember the least. If the question is asking least, your answer, you just double check whether there is a minimum possibility. Among the 4 options, if there is a lesser number than your answer, cross check it again whether that can be the answer or not. That is clear, I guess. Again showing first line, second movement, third movement, fourth movement. This was asked in a previous NET exam one more time also, 2016 I guess. in a little different way. So another question from data interpretation chapter. All of you try this. It's a little time consuming to read maybe, so 30 seconds to 1 minute maximum for the time sake, because if I give 2 minutes, at the time of exam you can take 2 minutes, but now take only maximum up to 1 minute. Okay, many of you got the answers right, very good. So I'll explain. Very simple problem if you use the answer options well. In data interpretation class also, free lecture I have given, there also I have told the tips and tricks when I was explaining this question. This question, the most important thing is elimination itself, eliminating options. Bus movement is denoted by the dark line and girl's movement is denoted by the dotted line. So those two movements you have to analyze. The girl is running at a constant speed. Constant speed means when the time is increasing, the speed will be constant like this, a parallel line to the x-axis. So definitely option C and option D are eliminated, because that is saying an increasing speed. Because it's a speed time graph, na? In a speed time graph means constant speed means same speed for all the time. If it is 5th second, speed is 20 meter per second maybe. For the 10th second also 20 meter per second. 15th second also 20 meter per second. That is satisfied only in A and B option. Because here what is the meaning? On 5th second it may be 5 meter per second. On 10th second it may be 8 meter per second. That is not constant speed. That is increasing speed. Increasing at a constant rate we can say. Constant acceleration this is, not constant speed. So definitely these two are eliminated. With respect to the movement of the girl itself, we eliminated two options. Now, the bus was stationary in the beginning. That is enough to finish that part also. One more option you can eliminate. Bus was stationary in the beginning. But in this picture, bus is not stationary in the beginning. Bus movement is denoted by the dark line. Na? The dark line from the beginning, it was constantly increasing. Not stationary. Stationary means speed should be 0, like option B. Look at this option B. Speed was 0 for some time. That means speed should be on the x-axis for some time. Speed is 0 for these times. Only from here speed started increasing. Are you understanding? That is violated in option A. So option A is also eliminated. C and D is eliminated by the girl's movement. A is eliminated by the bus movement. Nothing else is enough, because once you finish 3 options, don't waste your time on the remaining option. I always tell, don't have trust issues at the time of exam. If 3 options you eliminate, you should be confident that the remaining option is the answer. So option B should be the answer. Anyway, what happens, just to understand the story, we will read further. Before she reaches the bus leaves and moves with a constant acceleration. Yes. The speed of the bus is constantly increasing. That is called constant acceleration. Rate of change of speed is same. Yeah, it is kind of a general science problem combined with data interpretation, we can say. General science problem they ask sometimes. So this is a question where your basic understanding of physics is needed, but more than that, your data interpretation skills is needed. After she reaches the bus, after she reaches, no. Om Prakash, it is clearly told before she reaches the bus, not after she reaches the bus. After she reaches the bus means she is reaching the bus and then she is moving along with the bus. She is moving inside the bus. She could not catch the bus. That is a catch in the question, we can say. She could not catch the bus because before she reaches the bus leaves. That is clearly explained here. The girl continued moving forward, but the bus was in a higher speed. The girl and bus is going away and away from each other. That's the meaning. So that is totally satisfied in option B. So option B is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Try the next question, please. Yes, Raya, all these questions are for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science students. Part A section is common to all the science stream students. And I am discussing the question papers of mathematical science also, physical science also, life science also, chemical science also, earth science also. Pattern of question is not different at all. It is the same type of problem. Another question from sequential ordering chapter, that is a logical reasoning chapter. Logical reasoning means no math involved question. Some students say too much math is there in CSIR-NET Part A section. But I will say there are questions with no math at all. And this was a December 2019 problem with no mathematics at all. It is just about arranging the people. That is called sequential ordering. Very good. Many of you got the answers right. All of you complete trying. Okay, so I will start explaining this question. So here you just have to arrange them according to their position. In a race, so it is a race, please remember that. In a race, 5 drivers were in the following situation. M was following V. That means if I say left to right is the race. That means this is the finishing point. So, in a race, M was following V. That means M is behind V, we can say. M is behind V. So, and R was just ahead of T. But we don't know where to place R and T. Whether to be left of M and V or in between M and V or after M and V, we don't know. So, wait for the next sentence. That is how you have to analyze it properly. K was the only person between T and V. Yeah, that is a proper information we need. V is here, T is here. K was the only person between means K will be here. That's the meaning. V and T, one person only in between. K is that only person. Now read this sentence. That will simplify the question. R was just ahead of T. R was just ahead of T means R should be ahead of T. R should be right of T with respect to the race. That means if this is the finishing point, their current position is like this. Their current position is like this. R first, T second, K third, V fourth, M fifth. So definitely option C is the answer. Now some students may have a doubt whether they are asking it from the left or right, or whether they are asking it from the first to last or last to first. Definitely it is a race. So definitely last to first is what we want. Last to first means a person who is standing at the last, he is the person standing at the last means in left to right order. The person who is standing at the last, he is the first now. He is covering more distance than the other people. So R is the first. With respect to race, this is the catchword. It is a race. It is not like people are arranged in a bench. Then you can have confusion whether it should be left to right, right to left. But it is clearly told it is race, so there is no chance of any confusion. Second place in that left means who is second person? T is second person. M is the last person. That means he is a loser in that race, we can say. Currently, V is the second last person. K is the third last person. T is the second person. R is the first person. So, T is the answer. Option C, T is the answer. So, that also is clear, I guess. Let's go to the next question. Calendar related problem. The theory of all these chapters we will discuss in detail in the upcoming plus course starting on 8th of October. I will tell about that after discussing 2-3 more questions. We are planning to finish almost 12 questions today. Don't know whether we will be able to. That's why I have taken some questions which can be explained faster. In next class onwards, I will try to take more complicated questions, so we will be able to do not this many questions. Tomorrow what topic? Rima, we are planning to do square rooting. Square rooting and squaring, these two things are pending to go. Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible now? Please mention. Okay, so let's continue. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So what was the day of the week when it is, will it be 61 days from a Friday? That means if you assume today is a Friday, if you just assume today is a Friday, what will be 61 days from today? That is a question. If today is a Friday, 61 days from today, the easy way to analyze is, think in terms of 7 days. 7th day will be a Friday itself. 7th day will be Friday, because after 7 days the number of the same day will repeat. So 7th day will be Friday, 14th day will be Friday, 21st day will be Friday, 28th day will be Friday. That means every multiple of 7 will be Friday for sure if today is Friday. I am just taking today as Friday just to get an idea. That means 61 days, multiple of 7 is the concept. 7, 14, 21, etc. 56 is a multiple. 63 is a multiple. That means 63rd day will be a Friday itself if today is a Friday. 63rd day from today will be a Friday. If 63rd day is Friday, 62nd day will be what? One day before that, Thursday. 61st day will be what? One day before that, Thursday. One day before Thursday is Wednesday. So option D, Wednesday is the answer. Very simple idea, na? Are you all understanding this idea? You can reach 56 and then count forward, but that is time consuming. Don't waste that much time. 63 1 day back, 2 day backward is easier, na? That's why. Now those of you who are not getting idea why 7th day is a Friday, just calculate. For example, today is a Saturday. In real, today is a Saturday, na? After 7 days also will be a Saturday. Today is 3rd of October. So 3 plus 7, 10th of October also will be a Saturday. That is the idea. After 7 days, the number of the same day will repeat. That's the idea. So try the next question from probability and arrangement chapter. Rimpi, I didn't say about today's day. I told an imaginary day Friday. Today being a Friday, 63rd will be a Friday. That is the idea. Is it clear? All of you try the next question. Another December 2019 problem. Yes, 8th day will be Saturday. Exactly, that is what I am saying. 7th day will be Friday, 8th day will be Saturday. Yes. No, finally what I took the example Rumbi, I am telling about the real day today, October 3rd. October 3rd is a Saturday, na? October 10th also will be Saturday because 3 plus 7, 10th day, 7th day it is. That is what I was telling. Okay, many of you got the answers for this question, right? So listen very carefully, those of you didn't get the answer. So this question is exactly saying like a CSIR-NET scenario, some students have a random selection method of doing questions. Random selection method means they don't know a question, they just select a random question and believe that that will be correct, or pray to God that that should be correct. And the question is exactly asking how much chance is there for that random selection to be correct. That is what the question is asking. So here a multiple choice exam has 4 questions, each with 4 answer choices. Every question has only one correct answer. The probability of getting all the correct answers correct by independent guesses. Independent guesses means on the first question he is guessing something or the person is guessing something. For that to be correct, 1 by 4 is a chance because it is only 1 out of 4 choices. 1 out of 4 choices. So for that to be correct, 1 by 4 will be the probability. And on the second question to be correct also, 1 by 4 will be the probability because there are 4 answer choices. Only 1 will be correct. So 1 out of 4 will be the probability. Is it clear to all of you? 1 by 4 how? Third question also to be correct, 1 by 4 will be the probability. Fourth question to be correct also, 1 by 4 will be the probability. Now the question is asking, is the echo problem is there? If it is adjustable, please adjust. Otherwise, we have to restart again to clarify that problem. 1 second, let me check. Okay. Just adjust for now, otherwise it will be time consuming to rectify it. In the next class we can rectify it. So anyway, 1 by 4 chance for the first question to be correct, 1 by 4 chance for the second question correct, 1 by 4 for the third question correct, 1 by 4 for the fourth question correct. So at the same time all the 4 questions to be correct, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 chances are there. That is called fundamental principle of counting. If one thing have m chances, another thing have n chances, another thing have p chances, another thing have q chances. At the same time, all the 4 things can happen in m into n into p into q ways. That is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 will be the answer. That is option B. 1 by 4 raised to 4 will be the answer. Is it clear to all of you how 1 by 4 raised to 4? Because 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 raised to 4 now. So option B is the answer. If all of you are clear about it, we will go to the next question. Next question, all of you try it. Little twisted one. If you understood the question wrong, it is a twisted one. Otherwise it is simple also. Yes, Harsh. Harsha made a good point that when you calculate 1 by 4 raised to 4, the value is coming so small. That is why the moral of that question is, don't do random guesses. Random selection method don't apply at the time of exam. Some of you are preparing for DBT exam today. I don't know whether you people are attending the lecture today. If so, in DBT exam also, 1/3 negative mark will be there. So don't do random selection. Okay, many of you got the answers right, very good. So I'll explain the meaning of the question properly. Of the 3 children, of 3 children, so there are 3 children, Uma, Iqbal and Tarun. All three of cricket, football, Uma will play all 3 of cricket, football, hockey. So I will just make a table, Uma, Iqbal, Tarun. The first letters I am denoting. And the 3 games. 1 second. Three people are there, Uma, Iqbal, Tarun, and 3 games are there. The 3 games are cricket, football and hockey. So let's mark which all games we know, who all are playing. So about Uma, we clearly know that Uma is playing all the 3 games. So Uma, we can tick in all the 3 games that Uma is playing cricket, football and hockey. So we can put this tick, cricket, football, hockey, all the 3 Uma is playing. That is why the question is saying so. Iqbal plays cricket but not football. That means Iqbal is playing cricket. Football he is not playing. But the most important thing is about hockey we don't know whether Iqbal is playing hockey or not. Question is not saying anything about it. He may be playing, he may not be playing, unknown to us. Tarun plays hockey but neither football nor cricket. That means it is clearly told cricket and football he is not playing at all. Now the question is asking number of games. This is the most important thing. Many students misunderstand the question thinking that question is asking number of people. No. Question is not asking number of people. Question is asking about number of games played by minimum 2 children. So the children are not important, the games are important. So the number of games played by at least means minimum. Minimum means 2 people playing also, we can take it to the list we want. 3 people playing also it's okay. That's the meaning of at least 2 children. Huh? Because there are 3 children only. So 2 children possibility is also okay, 3 children possibility is also okay. So let's see game by game which all games are coming. 2 children, which all games are coming, 3 children. First of all, cricket. Will cricket be one of the games which is satisfying the condition that at least 2 children are playing it? Yes, definitely cricket will be, because Uma and Iqbal are playing. Uma and Iqbal are playing. Na? So cricket will be one of those games. Now football, without any doubt we can say football will not be in the list, because football is played only by Uma. Iqbal also not playing football, Tarun also not playing football. So football will not be in the list. Now is the most interesting thing. Hockey, should it be included in the list? Now you may be saying that Iqbal playing or not, we don't know. Then how we can say about hockey? We can say about hockey that hockey is played by at least 2 children. Why? Because hockey is played by Uma and Tarun for sure. Na? Iqbal we don't know, but that is not an issue at all. Already 2 people are playing. Whether Tarun Iqbal plays or not, that is not our issue at all. Already Uma and Tarun are playing. So hockey is also such a game played by 2 children at least. If it was told exactly 2 children, we cannot say anything about hockey. But now it is saying at least 2 children. That is why hockey is also included. That means how many games are there such that it is played by 2 children? Cricket and hockey, 2 games. That is why option B is the answer. Did you all understood this? Again, understanding the meaning of the question is the most important thing. As I told, don't think how many students are playing 2 games. That is not the question at all. How many games are played by at least 2 children? That's a question. That is why 2 is the answer. If that is clear, yes, Richa, at least 2. At least 2 means 2 or 3. 2 is also okay, 3 is also okay. Another question which came in 2019, which was very simple question. All of you try this. Due to lack of time, I will start the explanation. It's a logical syllogism problem. In the plus course, we will discuss this also in detail. Please, so combination short can be in. Yes, Richa, any 2 people, that's okay. So, governor is to state. That means how is governor related to a state? Definitely, governor is the topmost person in the state, the first person in the state. Like president is the first person in the country, governor is the first person in the state. That means topmost person in a body. That is what the relation is. The topmost person should be first, then the body. So in the same way, which option is satisfying? Ship is to captain. No. Captain is to ship may be correct, but ship is to captain is wrong. Admiral is to navy. Yeah, that is correct. Because in navy, the topmost person is called admiral. First person is called admiral. So that is why option B is the answer. Very simple question. If you know what is admiral and navy. Jail is to prisoner does not have such a relation. Student is to teacher does not have such a relation. Governor to state, that relation. State to governor, governor to state, both are different relation. That is why option D, admiral to navy, is the answer. Option D is the answer. I think that is clear. We could discuss, I think, 12 to 13 questions today. That is wonderful that we could discuss that many questions. So we will see more questions in the upcoming lectures. So we discussed December 2019 question paper today. Next class we will discuss June 2019. If you want to get updates from me, you can be part of my WhatsApp or Telegram group to get further updates. And if you want to attend my plus courses, one new plus course is starting on October 8th. You can take Unacademy Plus subscription with this referral code CC10, which will give you access to all educators, all courses with 10% discount. These are the other courses you can attend in my profile with Unacademy Plus subscription, but all other educators' profile also you can visit and attend their courses also with the subscription. So this is a new course starting. Timing is 5 p.m. if you want to attend it live. If you are not able to attend live, you can access the recording anytime you want in the Plus platform. These courses are also running. A detailed course of CSIR-NET is also running. and a gate course also is running. So if you are taking a 3-month subscription, you will be able to access all these courses. If you are taking a 1-month subscription, you will be able to access the crash course of CSIR-NET also. These are the benefits of Unacademy Plus subscription. All educators, all courses, unlimited access will be given to you. There is no limit to attend any lectures, any educator. You can attend all those courses, and these are the packages available, but this much price you don't have to pay if you are applying this referral code CC10, and this referral code can be combined with your what we can say credits available in your profile to get extra discount. So this will be the discounted amount. If you are applying more credits, more discount also will be there. This is how you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription. Remember, CSIR should be the category you should choose, and the referral code and credits also remember about it. So happy to hear, Latika. And if you are liking this class, please tell to your friends also about this class and share the link of this video to them so that they can attend it. And if you want to attend my plus classes or free classes in Unacademy platform, you can check the description of this video. You can see all those free lectures already completed. Almost 200 lectures are finished. All those free lectures you can access by clicking the link on the description of this video. And this is a new series starting in the Unacademy platform on 6th of October we are starting. All of you are welcome to attend. That is a completely free course. So all of you are welcome to attend that. And if you want to know the details of the upcoming Plus course, this is the details of the upcoming Plus course. By taking Plus subscription, you can attend this course. Revision course on CSIR-NET General Aptitude. It is like a crash course for all of you. Whether you are life science student, mathematical science student, chemical science student, physical science student or earth science student, you will be able to access this course, and it will be equally useful for all of you. And it will cover the complete syllabus of Part A section in 1 month. Like a crash course, it will cover the complete syllabus, and it will cover the previous year questions. Some of the previous year questions will be discussed. Along with that, more practice questions also will be discussed. It will be helpful for CSIR-NET and other exams you are preparing. There will be doubt clearing sessions after each class, after 3 classes, and you can download the notes also. This is a complete schedule of the course. These are the topics we are discussing: series formation, numbers, data interpretation, finding the X monetary problem average, mixtures, probability, arrangements and selection, geometry, mensuration, distance and direction, moving locomotive, clock and calendar, general science, logical reasoning. There are 2 lectures. So, Sumit, YouTube classes will be in alternative days. Unacademy free platform classes will be more. In this month, there will be 16 lectures in Unacademy free platform, 9 lectures in the YouTube classes. That is the schedule. Check the description of this video, you will be able to find that. So that is about the upcoming free classes. Again reminding, please invite all your friends to the upcoming free classes. Tomorrow 3 p.m. there will be a class. You are welcome to attend that also. In my own YouTube channel, you can access that class. So if there is any other doubt regarding this, you can ask now. Otherwise, if you want to clarify any doubts regarding Unacademy classes also, you can ask. As I told, if you want to get regular updates from me regarding the upcoming free classes, this groups you can be part of, either the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group, or both you can join. In the Telegram group and Telegram group especially, very good discussion of aptitude is happening daily. Almost 5,000 students are discussing with each other general aptitude topics. So you are also welcome to attend that community to learn. So to join it, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram, or if you are not finding it, you can just text to this number. You will be getting the link to join the Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, mobile application, and all other free resources I provide. So that's it. If there is no other doubt, let's conclude. Again reminding, the new course starting from Tuesday onwards. The new courses on the Unacademy free platform, concept building series. For general aptitude section of CSIR-NET and other competitive exams, it will be useful. It is in the Unacademy platform, not in the Unacademy YouTube channel. The Unacademy free platform, that is available. The link is available in the description of this video. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you on the next class. That is tomorrow 3 p.m. we will have the next class in my own platform. Thank you. Bye-bye. And those of you are going for today's DBT exam, all the best from my side. May God bless you all and do well in the exam and take extra care for your what we can say for this COVID situation also. While going for the exam and being in the exam hall all the time, take extra care. Again, telling to the people who are attempting the exam today I think afternoon, right? So all the best for all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. What you felt about the class, you can mention it in the comment section, and you can share this video to all your friends also. Thank you. Bye bye.